From the CRM portal, click the Profile tab in the navigation bar to access your personal account settings. This is where you can view your contact information, update your password, and manage your profile photo. The contact information card shows your name, email address, company, phone number, and mailing address. This information is pulled from your account record and is displayed here for your reference. If you are the primary contact on the account, you will see a primary account badge next to the heading. At the top of the contact information card is your profile photo. Click the photo area to upload a new image. The portal accepts JPEG, PNG, GIF, and WebP files up to 2 megabytes. Your photo appears in the navigation bar and throughout the portal. If you already have a photo uploaded, a Remove Photo link appears below it. The Change Password card lets you update your account password. If you already have a password set, you will need to enter your current password first. Then type your new password and confirm it. Passwords must be at least 8 characters long. Click Update Password to save your changes. The password form validates your input in real time. If the new password is shorter than 8 characters or the confirmation does not match, you will see an error message. Once both fields match and meet the minimum length, click Update Password and you will see a green confirmation message when the change is saved successfully. And that covers managing your profile in the Cloudspire CRM portal. From the Profile tab, you can view your contact details, upload or change your profile photo, and update your password at any time. That's all there is to it.